Today we're going to mix a slime from
Unicorn surprise.
Yeah, so this is the one that you saw like what I was opening her. So let's get the measuring cup. Mixture. Oopsies. Perfect. Need the unicorn sparkle.
Shimmer.
Unicorn shimmer. And make sure to be careful with scissors. So you have to be safe and let your mother do this for your little darling. So.
That's it. I can't wait. What color do you think it's going to be, Maya?
I don't know.
We'll see.
Yeah, so I still have to open it.
Nice.
Here's 2 opens.
Okay.
So guys, we're going to put the sparkle. We're going to put the sparkle. Oh, that's so white.
Oh, it's glittery.
Yeah, glittery white.
Ooh, nice.
It's all done. Well, let's put the water. And now mix it.
Keep mixing, keep mixing.
Ah, the cat on my finger. Keep mixing. Put this down. We gotta be careful. Uh-oh. Her eye's now showing. Look at the glitter.
It's cute. Can I see? Ooh, nice. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring.
Guys, this is so cold. I don't know why. Like, I'm stirring it and it's so cold. Someone got on me. Ah! Someone's on my finger again. I don't know why it gets on my finger all the time. Look at it, guys. Oh, that's ready. So, now we're going to meet our unicorn. Turn her around to me. And then we're going to feed her. Yes.
You gotta feed her, huh?
Yeah.
Make sure she eats it all.
Yeah, guys. We gotta clean her shirt.
Yeah, we will. After she's done eating.
Yeah, this is going to be yummy for you, little girl. Yummy. Huh? Oh, her just bite the spoon. Here you go.
Ooh, and then next is gonna be the unicorn food.
Yeah. So guys, her's all done. I gotta actually take the spoon.
She has to finish it all.
Yeah, guys. Make sure her clothes gets. So we are going to fill this like right here. So
Let's see. Then we have to pour that in there.
the liquid.
Huh?
The liquid.
I know you have to put the unicorn food after, right?
Yeah. So scissors. Be safe, guys.
Yeah, cut it. Okay, you gotta be careful. Wait.
Okay, guys, we're going to put the unicorn food.
Make sure you pour the
It's
whole
orange.
thing. Ooh.
All of it.
Yeah, let's put the cup over here a little bit more. You have to pour the whole entire food in there.
Yeah.
All done?
Yep. So
Good.
now we're going to close it. And then we're going to shake it.
Shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
I can't read it.
Here. There you go.
Do it with my another arm. Oh no! Spin around. So guys, we're going to put it.
One more shake before you give her to her. Yeah. All right.
You can see it.
Ooh, yeah.
It's going all the way.
Oh, I hope she finishes it all.
Her is.
Yeah. I hope she does.
So guys, hers just done. So guys, hers just all done. And let's put her in Rocky mode.
Careful. You don't want to drop what she has in her tummy.
Let's rock her. Rock her. And this is going to be so fun. Move all of this and then rock her. For 10 minutes.
10-15 seconds. Ooh, we forgot to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Even though it was a little bit longer, right? But
Yeah.
she's good. All right, now she has to use the bathroom.
Let's take off her diaper. Oh, her go potty.
She's going potty.
Her already go potty. I think if her poop's going out. Her poop's not going out. Keep on pressing for 10 minutes. Uh-oh. Her wants to come out.
Oh, yeah. She's like, let me out.
And her's like, you have to. Come on.
It's been 10 minutes.
Yeah, and let's see her poop.
Ooh,
This is orange.
it's orange.
Yeah, guys, I didn't imagine that. So let's put her diaper on. There's a little bit in there, but that's okay. Little diaper. Cute little diaper is on the
Ooh.
way.
Can't believe she did that. Ooh, she got poopsie.
Her got poop. Her Tony's is on, so let's go play with the gooiness. Oh, what happened? Well, we can still play with it. And I can store it in my slime box.
Nice.
Okay, well, I had to go get this.
Let's see how that works.
What is this?
That is the, oh no, not unicorn shimmer. Unicorn magic.
Unicorn magic. All right, where's the scissors? Oh.
Right there.
So guys, let's open the unicorn magic.
You should put the slime in here.
Yeah.
Ooh. Gotta get all those little pieces.
Open it. So guys, we still have to cut it.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I hope it gets very sparkly.
I hope so too. Very glittery.
The sparkle.
Ooh, nice.
So we will save that one for later. So let's play with it. Oh, just like back to normal.
Is it slimy?
Yeah. It's
Ooh.
slimy, not gooey anymore.
We'll see. See
The
how it is.
surface. Because guys, if you like put this on your table, then we get so shiny and I will be surprised. So let's play with it.
Let's see how it turns out.
Yeah. And I will put this in my storage. Like you see this?
Yeah.
Those have lid storage.
Wow.
And I can put it inside the Poopsie.
Yep, you can. You can.
There's a little storage too.
Ooh, and this little one, right?
Yeah.
It's a cute little keychain.
And set them on the bottom.
Oh yeah, on the bottom.
On the bottom, you put the slime in there.
And you can take it anywhere you want, right?
Yeah. So let's play with the unicorn.
Oh, look at it. Ooh, it's so shiny and glittery and sparkly.
If you want to see my slime that I made like right there, you guys would be surprised. They're so pretty.
It's fun. It's fun.
Yeah. But this is another keychain poo-poo. So
Ooh, let's see how it's turning out. Ooh. Look at that, guys.
yeah.
That's awesome. Ooh.
Get this is like the so I hope you see this and subscribe to our channel. If you want some if you want to subscribe to my channel, and goodbye guys.
And remember to like the videos.
Yeah.
Give it a big thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.